Welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about what you don't know about potatoes that can greatly improve your health. Potatoes are one of the most common and important food sources on the planet, and they may contain a wealth of benefits that make them all the more staple in diets across the world. These health benefits may include their ability to improve digestion, reduce cholesterol levels, boost heart health, and protect from polyps. They may strengthen the immune system, reduce signs of aging, protect the skin, increase circulation, reduce blood pressure, maintain fluid balance, and reduce insulin. Below are the health benefits of potatoes in details. Number 1. May promote weight gain. Potatoes are primarily made of carbohydrates and contain protein and are low on fats. It may make them an ideal diet for people who want to put on weight. The vitamin content may include vitamin C, which might also help in the proper absorption of carbohydrates. That might be one of the reasons that potatoes make up a large part of the diet of sumo wrestlers, as well as many other athletes who need large energy reserves in order to compete. Number 2. May prevent heart diseases. Apart from the vitamins, B-complex and C, minerals, and roughage, potatoes may also contain certain substances called carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. Carotenoids may be beneficial for heart health and the functioning of other internal organs. Number 3. May lower blood pressure. Potatoes may help alleviate multiple possible causes, and can be used to relieve high blood pressure due to stress. Also, the fiber present in them may prove to be helpful in lowering cholesterol. Number 4. May reduce inflammation. Potatoes may be very effective in reducing inflammation, both internal and external, according to a research paper. Since they are soft, easily digested, and may have a lot of vitamin C, a very good antioxidant that repairs tissue wear, potassium, and vitamin B6. They may relieve any inflammation in the intestines and the digestive system. Number 5. May aid in skin care. Vitamin C and B complex, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, may be good for the skin. Apart from that, the pulp obtained from crushed raw potatoes, when mixed with honey, may work well in skin and face packs. This might even help with pimples and spots on the skin. Number 6. May be high in fiber. Potatoes may also contain a considerable amount of fiber or roughage. This may stimulate peristaltic motion and increase secretion of gastric juices, which eases digestion and prevents conditions like constipation. The vegetable may also protect from serious conditions like colorectal cancer due to its high fiber content. Tips to reduce loss of nutrients in potato. Avoid peeling the potatoes before cooking them. The outer shell may provide good protection against nutritional loss during the cooking process. The protein and mineral content beneath the skin may be very high, so if you cook them after peeling them, most of these proteins and minerals will be lost. When you boil potatoes, first heat the water to its boiling point and then add them. This will reduce cooking time and help you maintain the vitamin C content. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.